Hello everyone, welcome to another simple video in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the My AI on your Snapchat here. So My AI is a new feature of Snapchat here, just like a chatbot of AI. If you use ChatGPT just like that, so if you just send a chat and it will get back to you just like a chatbot on Snapchat here. So if you want to get the My AI option here, first you need to update your Snapchat here. So just go to Play Store and search for Snapchat here, and after searching for Snapchat here, if you have the update option here, you need to update your Snapchat here. For in my case, I have opened, that means I have already the update version of Snapchat here. And if I get back to my Snapchat here, if you open your Snapchat, you will have this camera option here. So you just need to tap on this chat here in the right corner, in the left corner, tap on it. And at the top here, you will find the My AI option here. So if you just tap on the My AI option here, so this is the My AI in Snapchat here. So if you tap on the profile of the My AI, and if you just tap on this three dot menu here, tap on it, you will get all the settings of My AI option here. So if you don't have the My Chat option, My AI chat in the Snapchat here, that means it's still rolling out the Snapchat in the latest update version here. So if I just go back and tap on this and tap on the right corner of my profile here, and then tap on the right corner of the settings option here, and if you go down, you will find the support option here. There's an option called I need help here, so just tap on it. So here you will find an option called My AI. Tap on it, and here you can see there's a lot of option that how the My AI is work here. So if you don't have the My AI option, so just tap on the how do I access My AI on Snapchat here, and here you will see that My AI and new My AI features are rolling out slowly and maybe not be available to you just yet. So that's the case, you are not having the My AI still, because it's an update and you will have this slowly. They are slowly rolling out this option here. But if you don't have the My AI option, if you just go back, you will see there's a bunch of options and you can know how to use or how the My AI works in Snapchat here. So that's it guys, this is how you can get the My AI in Snapchat here if you just update it, or it will be in your Snapchat. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.